week travelling back to 1966 and 1967. It was a time when space truly came into the lounge room, a time when people around the world were for the first time beginning to see the Earth from space as a more common occurrence, rather than the rarefied views of only a few years before. The mid-60s were possibly the most adventurous and prolific years in the ongoing history of space exploration. (1966), a year in which aeronautics and space activities are very much in the news, creating achievements which are expanding man's knowledge. Here is a report on some of those accomplishments. This animation shows how Surveyor 1 looked as it came in for a soft landing on the moon's surface. The date, June 2nd, 1966. As evidenced by these photos, a spacecraft can land on the lunar surface and probably a man can walk on it. Some of the terrain is very similar to our soil. A man would leave footprints as he would in sand. Many rocks dot the moonscape. Future flights will photograph other possible manned landing areas and carry instruments to measure surface hardness, information needed before men land there. Charting actual landing sites for manned moon landings is the job of the Moon Orbiter. 2 of the 850-pound satellites have orbited the moon, photographing and mapping wide areas, sometimes sweeping as low as 25 miles above the surface. Here are some of